So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy USDC crypto on the Kraken application. So once you open up Kraken, I want you to go to the bottom bar and press on the magnifying glass or the explore icon. Then at the top, press on the search bar and type in USDC. At the top, you have your result. Press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom, press on buy USDC, the purple button, then type in the amount. So for this demonstration, if I wanted to buy $20 for an example, I'll type in the amount. Then to proceed, press on the purple arrow on the right hand side. Once you're here, you can review the amount, the price, the Kraken fee, the total. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, press I understand, and then press on the purple confirm button to proceed with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy USDC on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.